Okay friends, today we will discuss about the footing and column details, and it is actual how we implement on site. In the details I will explain each and everything. So come to me. Okay, see, it is a footing and its column, and all this reinforcement is done. I think everyone is see that top reinforcement of footing. If you see all direction. So okay, start. It is a top reinforcement of footing. Its purpose is just to avoid the torsional movement, whatever the movement will occurs on the footing edges. So avoiding for that we are using this. So another is that if you see LD, we are providing LD, development length. The purpose of that to increase the bond stress in the column, and it is a TMT bar. So due to that it get grips, and it never come out or pull out from the concrete because it has strength, or you can say grip. Due to that bonds become strong, and it's called as a frictional, we can say frictions will happens, more friction will happen because of this development length. It will never pull out from the concrete. So that is the purpose of that LD. It is this in the footing also we have to provide it in this direction, upper direction. 450 is the length of that. We have to provide continuous bar from here to continuous till that end. So in the bottom I think you see the bundle bar we have to provide it for the purpose of to avoid the one-way and two-way shear. So if you see the dimension of bar, just our dimension of column is 500 by 500. So this bundle bar length is on exactly 500 from the each face. If you see from this face to this up to that, the length is only 500 to avoid the shear, one-way shear and two-way shear. So I think the architect designed this footing as a two-way shear. So two-way shear is happen at the distance d by 2, so that in the direction, if you see bundle bar also provided in the both direction. And also most important, I would like to explain you the stirrups. Whatever the stirrups, or we can say in the link, two-legged stirrups we are using in the column, in this column, because of to hold the position. It's exactly on its place. And most important function of these stirrups or link is to avoid the deflection of column. Column is a compression member. When the load will come, there will be chances to deflect. So that to avoiding the deflection, we are providing these links, and two-legged is get more strength and get stable. So that we are using that. And I think you see that such a kind of bars, we call it chair. There is no any big purpose. Purpose is just like to support that top reinforcement of footing, so it will able to simple to binding during the reinforcement. So that is the detail of footing and some reinforcement. And bar of the column is 16 mm diameter. If you see here is everything is given. Trishul companies made by this, whatever the steel we bring, it is Trishul companies, and 500 Fe 500 grade, which is the highest in the steel. And TM is thermomechanically treated bar, and which is a 60 mm diameter. So in that way we can read the information about the bar and its grade. Okay, and the diameter of bar in the square column, we know the 4 bar is minimum, and 12 mm diameter is minimum for the any column. If you are constructing RCC, then its minimum bar is 12 mm. So we are using 16 mm bar, and it is a industrial building, so that dimension is much, and the reinforcement is also did much. Okay, I hope you understand all these things what I explained, and if you interested to get some another video about beam or another reinforcement details about columns, because column there is lot of criteria in the columns. What is a pedestal, what is a column? Just like I would like to tell you the slenderness ratio. When the less than 3, we can call that is pedestal, and if it's more than 12, 3 to 12, it is a short column, and from 12 to 60 slenderness show, we call that column is a long column. I hope you understand more all those things, and if you are interested, then definitely comment me and inform me. If you are interested in next more videos, I will cast it, or we can say do it very soon. So like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.